Hi, Jess here from nigezza.co.uk, and I'm just popping on with a quick tip video today, and that's about our new cling stamp. So as you order from stamp sets from the new Spring Summer catalogue, you will notice that we now do photopolymer and cling stamp sets. We're no longer doing any wooden ones, and we're not doing the clear mount. We're doing cling stamp instead. And they look like your clear mount, but the difference is you can now put the images on them because they will stick now, whereas we used to have issues before that they would fall off, and so lots of us didn't bother putting the images on, but now they're done so they will stick, and as you can see, that's quite hard to get off. That's how sticky they are. So I've done a few, so I thought I would show you how to do it, so you know. I know when I first started Stampin' Up with the old ones, and I did think, how on earth do I do it? How on earth do I get it lined up nicely? So as you can see, I've done those four, and you can see where the images have come out. So that's this one here. So the way I did it was peel off here, get it the right way up, and you kind of match it up whilst it's on there, and then you can peel the other side, and that should be it on there in the right place. So it's easier for stamping because you can see what you're stamping, and then that will cling beautifully to that. The only thing you've got to remember is when you're peeling off is to be careful. If you pull it from the red rubber, you could rip it off. It is really stuck hard. So let's do another one. So take it off there, peel off that back in, find the correct image here, so it's that one. You can either peel the whole lot off or do it in two halves. Line it up on there, it's the same shape, so it's easy to do, and then you can peel the other half off. And then comes off there, and it's perfect. Okay, you can, as I say, peel the whole lot off if you want to. Whichever's easiest for you. I think I did it first time, peeling the whole lot off, and then you can just match it up on there, peel it off, and it's so quick and easy, unlike before. So hope you like that tip. The other tip, it's not my tip, I've seen other people do it, is when you've done all this, you'll have all this spare cling, and you can with your old clear mount put the images on and then just stick a bit of the cling over the top of the image, and you will turn them into cling stamps as well. So that's fabulous, and I might go back to my old ways of sticking this when it's empty on the back here, so I know I've got them all. Okay, hope you enjoy that. Hope you're enjoying the new catalogue. If this actually goes out before January the 3rd, then you still got to wait. I'm not sure when I'm going to put this one out. Okay, all the details of the new catalogue requesting, if you haven't already got one, or just some previews over on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. See you again soon.